Today we will know daily visualization practice for success. Welcome back to the our channel Healing Affirmation. Today I am going to share with you one of the most powerful success habit that changed my life and can change yours too. This secrets has been used by world-class athletes, visionary leaders and successful entrepreneurs for decades. It's called visualization. Visualization is not daydreaming, it's not wishful thinking. It's a powerful mental practice that programs your subconscious mind for success. Think about this. Before Michael Phelps swam to win Olympic gold, he had already swam that race thousands of times. In his mind, before astronauts walked on the moon, they visualized every step, every moment, every challenge. So today we are going to break down exactly how visualization works, why it's so powerful, and most importantly, how you can build a daily visualization practice that takes just a few minutes a day but rewires your brain for success. Stay with me till the end of this video because I will also guide you through a live visualization success that you can follow along with. After today, you won't just understand visualization, you will be able to practice it every single day. What is visualization? Define visualization in simple terms. Example: difference between wishful thinking and mental rehearsal. Mention historical and modern examples: athletes, CEOs, student leaders. Psychological concept: reticular activating system, RAS, filter reality based on focus. Storytelling example: a student who imagined giving a confident presentation and later did it exactly the same way. The science of visualization. Neuroscience: brain cannot distinguish between imagined action and real actions. Studies: basketball free throw experiment where visualization improved performance. Brain scans showing motor cortex activation during mental rehearsal. Psychology: law of attractions, ways law of actions explain difference, why emotions are the glue that make visualization powerful. Connections with subconscious programming explain how visualization impacts confidence, decision making, and focus. Why daily practice matters. Success is about habits. Visualization must become daily ritual. Just like brushing teeth, our exercising small consistency matters more than intensity. Why morning visualization sets the tone for the day. Why night visualization imprint on subconscious before sleep. Analogy: planting seeds in a garden daily until they bloom. Real life mini stories: entrepreneurs who visualize investors meeting before actually succeeding. Athlete who visualize crossing the finish line before winning. Step by step daily visualization practice. Step 1. Quiet your mind. Find a silent place. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Calm body. Relax tension. Prepare your brain. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Don't just say, I want success. Say, I want to become a doctor, or I want to run my business with 100 clients. The clearer the goal, the stronger the visualization. Step 3. Create a mental movie. Imagine in first person, not third person. Use all sense. Sight, sounds, smell, touch, emotions. Example: if you are visualizing buying a car, see yourself touching the steering wheel, hearing the engine, smelling the new car. Add emotions. Feel gratitude, pride, and happiness. Emotions is what tells your subconscious this is real. Step 5. Practice daily. 5 to 10 minutes in morning and evening. Even 2 minutes of consistency visualization is better than 30 minutes once in a while. Step 6. Combine with actions. Visualization is fuel, but actions drives the car. Take small daily steps in reality to match your mental vision. Guided visualization. Now let's do a quick guided practice together. Wherever you are, sit comfortably, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Your biggest goal has been achieved. Picture it clearly. Where are you? What are you wearing? Who is with you? What do you hear around you? Maybe people are congratulating you. Maybe you are standing on a stage. Maybe you are signing a deal. Now feel the emotions. Pride, confidence, joy. Hold on to that feeling. Smile as if it's already real. Now say silently to yourself, I am capable. I am successful. My dreams are possible. Slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel. This is the power of visualization. Tips to strengthen visualization. Use a vision board with pictures of goals. Write affirmations to support visualization. Listen to uplifting music while practicing. Keep a journal. Write down what you visualized each day. Be patient, take time to grow. Visualization is not magic, it's mental training. Every time you practice, you are programming your brain to see opportunities, to believe in yourself, and to take action. Remember, success is created twice, first in the mind, then in reality. So, from today, commit to 5 minutes daily visualization. Start small, stay consistency, and watch your life transform. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more powerful success practice. And always remember, what you hold in your mind, you hold in your hand. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks.